All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin to staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about crypto.com, CRO. And yeah, they're placing Super Bowl ads. Everybody's going to know about them. And on Sunday, the coin is up a lot right now in the last 7 days. Maybe the anticipation of the people that do know that everybody in the country is going to know about crypto.com on Sunday. And then also we're going to talk about FTX, how they're giving away Bitcoins. Yeah, the competitor of the crypto.com, FTX, they're giving away Bitcoins on Sunday. And we're going to kind of go over that a little bit. Oh gosh, all kinds of good stuff. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's go over to crypto.com and the Crypto Bowl or the Super Bowl or the Crypto Bowl, crypto.com. Over here at CoinMarketCap, crypto.com is the 16th cryptocurrency on here. It's up a lot, 28%. Holy cow, what happened? 28% up in the last 7 days. It's up 6% today. Clicking it, 51 cents. It's up 5%. So why is this up? Do they know the Super Bowl's coming? Are people loading up? Take a look at the chart here in the last 24 hours. It's just up and to the right, up and to the right. Take a look in the last 7 days. Last 7 days is even better, up and to the right. All right, let's check the holder since we're here. Check the 3 months. It goes 3 months ago, we had 123,000 people holding the CRO, 123. Today, 211. 70, 80,000 on the 123, about 60%. So there's 60% more people holding the CRO right now. Now when Sunday comes and it's all over the commercials, crypto.com and FTX, I bet you a lot more people got their platform on their little iPhones and their Androids, and I bet you they're downloading the platforms and stuff, especially if you're getting Bitcoin from certain people and trying to win it. All right, let's go back over to CRO. Over here at crypto.com favors the brave. The world's fastest growing crypto app joined 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. We'll do a price prediction when we're done too. Spend the crypto.com on the Visa card and get 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving up to 14.5% back on crypto assets. Buy crypto at true cost. The only card you will need. Enjoy your 8% back on all spending with the Sleek Pure Metal card. No annual fees. Top it off with fiat or cryptocurrency. Yeah, everybody's going to see these cards on Sunday at the Super Bowl on the TV set. Deposit crypto, earn rewards, choose from 40 cryptos and stable coins. Earn up to 14.5% on your PA on your crypto, or earn up to 14% on your stable coin. DeFi made simple, DeFi wallets, your keys, your crypto, DeFi earn, no lockup period and stable returns. DeFi swap DeFi coins, and earn triple yield. Cryptocurrency in every wallet. Yeah, that's what the Sunday opportunity is going to be for everybody. All right, it says Super Bowl, or shall we call it Crypto Bowl? Let's take a look at this. There's 4 crypto companies. Well, it's almost a Super Bowl. This is talking about how the playoffs are coming. Playoffs are over. It's Cincinnati Bengals against the Rams. And it says the Super Bowl has a kick. It's called Crypto Sauce. Well, we're aware of the ads that run between the Super Bowl intervals that gain incredible attention to the entire nation. NBC sold advertisements for upcoming Super Bowls for 30 seconds. Dig this, $7 million. It's up 27% from last year. 43% of the new marketers this year are made up of new businesses, including crypto exchanges. So 43%, almost half the people that are companies that are advertising on the Super Bowl are brand freaking new. Oh my gosh, everybody. On February 13th, you're going to hear some of the biggest names telling you to get into crypto. But do they know you, your finance? Only you do. Trust yourself and do your own research. The video was something of an ad ran by Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. And then here's the 4 companies that are actually advertising. Binance, of course, is one of the major advertisers this year. Other names are FTX, you know them, crypto.com, and BitBuy. Breaking news, the following exchanges will run ads during the Super Bowl. Binance, FTX, and Crypto.com. BitBuy. Not only that, the year's Super Bowl halftime will witness one of the greatest names from the music industry, Dr. Dre. And he will also have a halftime show with Eminem, Snoop Dogg, and other few performers. Wow, isn't it interesting that Eminem recently purchased a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT worth almost $500,000. Meanwhile, Snoop launched the NFT series in December, comprising of both audio and video elements. So we have exchanges, celebrities selling NFTs, celebrities buying NFTs. We have people. It says FTX and crypto.com has garnered headlines in recent months with their arenas naming right deals and partnerships with professional sportsmen such as LeBron James and Tom Brady. All right, so checking this out. FTX, we're going to that one next. You can get Bitcoin from them. So crypto.com is spending all kinds of money on ads. FTX is spending all kinds of money on ads. Is it the Crypto Bowl? Is it the Super Bowl? I don't know. Let's check some more stuff out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. It says Crypto.com buys ad space for the Super Bowl 2022, the major business move of the year. Now, the Super Bowl is just one more step for Crypto.com. There is no concrete information on how much money Crypto.com paid for ad space, but according to information provided by the Wall Street Journal, it is selling 30-second ads for about $6.5 million, $1 million more than last year's asking. So I heard $6.5 million, I heard $7 million. Also, Crypto.com bought $700 million for the naming rights for the Staples Center. That just happened recently. And also, FTX bought the naming rights for the Miami Heat. So right here, Crypto.com plans on buying ad space. So we already knew that. Now, what about this one? FTX will give out free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. Here's how to enter. One of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges has announced it will be giving away free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. FTX, one of the largest crypto exchanges, has announced in addition to the planned Super Bowl advertisements, they're giving away Bitcoin. Now, how much are they giving? They don't know. Are they giving away 1 million? Are they giving away 1.5 million? 1.5 million? We don't actually know. The later our big game ads on the air, the more Bitcoin you can win. See us on Sunday. Now check this out. This is pretty cool.
I've missed out on talking for 33 years, but I'm not missing out this Sunday. FTX is giving away the time their ad runs in Bitcoin, and I'm going to win. For charity.
All right, so that's an advertisement that's probably going to be ran on Saturday or Sunday right before the Super Bowl. So here's some rules. Each winner will receive the Bitcoin deposit into the FTX account. The amount of the Bitcoin will be deposited equal to the ET time, hours and minutes that is sponsored on February 13th. So in order to get this, you're going to have an FTX account. Now, isn't that going to be mass adoption? You're going to see everybody downloading FTX accounts. Probably going to see people getting Crypto.com accounts too. The Cincinnati Bengals and the Los Angeles Rams, and they look at a typo here. It's not the 14th, everybody. It's the 13th, this Sunday. All right, so we know there's going to be advertisements. We know there's going to be commercials. This one we've been seeing forever from Crypto.com. Just yesterday, I posted an ad about FTX and their advertisements, but this is one of the Crypto.com advertisements. Here we go. I bet you we see different ones on Sunday.
History is filled with almosts, with those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
All right, so we've been seeing that advertisement. So what's our price prediction? This coin's at 51 cents. I want to go back to 3 months ago. 3 months ago, the coin was at 77 cents. Coin was at 94 cents. It's 69 cents. Everybody in the country is going to hear about this coin on Sunday. There's going to be all kinds of just awesome things going on with these commercials. I think this coin can jump back to 60 cents. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but it's up 28% right this second for some reason. Is it because the Super Bowl's coming? Maybe, let me take back it down. Maybe not 60 cents, maybe 55 cents, 55 to 60 cents. Again, all the information is for educational purposes only. Up 29%, Crypto.com. Take a look at FTX, up 11%. So FTX and Crypto.com are going to be having fun. Binance is gonna be advertising on the Super Bowl too. So, all right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Super Bowl's coming in a couple days. Yeah, I mean, FTX is giving out Bitcoin. I mean, Tom Brady gave out a Bitcoin when he threw his 600 touchdown this year to the fan. That was the first time that happened. And now we have Super Bowls that they're going to be giving away Bitcoin. So basically, probably the rest of our lives for Super Bowls, we'll be getting stuff to be plugged into their commercials and downloading stuff, and there's going to be random people that are going to win just by paying attention to the Super Bowl. It's freaking fantastic. That's why we bring you all this cryptocurrency stuff. I happen to like football. I'm into football. Go Bengals, go Rams. If I had a pick, I'm going to root for the Bengals. I'm a Browns fan, AFC North, go Browns. Hey, by the way, we beat the Bengals twice this year. But all I know is this Super Bowl is going to make everybody more into cryptocurrency than ever before. You watch it. I called it a month ago. The best advertisements on the Super Bowl were going to be crypto advertisements. You heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner first. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We'll see you a little bit later on today.